There are several ways to create a new document, open existing documents and save documents in Word. Step 1. Click the MS Office button. Step 2. Click New, or press and hold the Ctrl then press letter hand on your keyboard. Part 4. Text Editing. This is the part that will teach you how to insert, copy, paste, cut and delete the text. To insert the text, simply click at the insertion section and begin typing. To delete text, highlight the texts that you wish to delete and then push backspace or delete button. To copy and paste text, highlight the text you wish to copy by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it to the desired texts. Once highlighted, right-click the highlighted texts and then click Copy or click the Copy button at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the part where you want to put the text. Right-click and then click Paste or click the Paste button at the upper left corner of the screen. To cut and paste text, highlight the text you wish to cut by holding down the left mouse button and dragging it to the desired texts. Once highlighted, right-click the highlighted texts and then click Cut or click the Cut button at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the part where you want to put the text. Right-click and then click Paste or click the Paste button at the upper left corner of the screen. Part 5. Opening and saving files. This is the part that will teach you how to save and open a document. To save document, click the Office icon. Click Save or Save As. Clicking the Save As button will let you choose of which document format you want to save, or holding the Control button and pushing the S button on the keyboard. To open a document, click the Office icon and then click Open. Find and click the desired document that you wish to open, or hold Control button and then push letter O on your keyboard to open a document. Part 6. Previewing and printing settings. This is the part that will teach you how to print previewing and show printing settings. To print preview, click the Office icon then highlight the Print button then click Print Preview. You can magnify the area by clicking the document. You can also view two pages at the same time by clicking two pages at the upper part of the screen. In printing settings, click the Page Layout button in the ribbon and then you can change the settings of your pages by clicking the corresponding settings in the margins, orientation, size and column buttons. Part 1. Changing font. This is the part that will teach you how to change your text font. Click the arrow next to the font name and choose a font. Remember that you can preview how the new font will look by highlighting the text and hovering over the new font typeface. Part 2. Changing font style. This is the part that will teach you how to change your text style. Font styles are predefined formatting options that are used to emphasize text. They include bold, italic, and underline. Select the text and click the font styles included on the font group of the ribbon. Or select the text and right-click to display the font tools. Part 3. Changing font size. This is the part that will teach you how to change the size of the text. Click the arrow next to the font size and choose the appropriate size, or click the increase or decrease font size buttons. Part 4. Changing font effects. This is the part that will teach you how to change the color of the text. Select the text and click the Colors button included on the font group of the ribbon, or highlight the text and right-click and choose the Colors tool. Select the color by clicking the down arrow next to the Font Color button. Part 5. Text Alignment. This is the part that will teach you how to change the alignment of the text. Click the Home tab. Choose the appropriate button for alignment on the paragraph group. Align left. The text is aligned with your left margin. Center. The text is centered within your margins. Align right. Aligns the text with the right margin. Justify. Aligns text to both the left and right margins. Part 1. Formatting paragraphs. A paragraph in Word is any text that ends with a hard return. You insert a hard return every time you press the Enter key. Paragraph formatting lets you control the appearance of the individual paragraphs. For example, you can change the alignment of text from left to center or the spacing between lines from single to double. You can indent paragraphs, number them, or add borders and shading them. Formatting paragraphs allows you to change the look of the overall document. You can access many of the tools of paragraph formatting by clicking the Page Layout tab of the ribbon or the Paragraph group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Paragraph formatting is applied to an entire paragraph. All formatting for a paragraph is stored in the paragraph mark and carried to the next paragraph when you press the Enter key. You can copy paragraph formats from paragraph to paragraph and view formats through task panes. Part 2. Line spacing. This is the part that will teach you how to change the line spacing of the page format. Select the paragraph or paragraphs you wish to change. On the Home tab, click the Paragraph dialog box. Click the Indents and Spacing tab. In the Spacing section, adjust your spacing accordingly. Part 3. Using background. This is the part that will teach you how to change the background of the document. Click the Page Layout tag on the ribbon. On the Page Background group, click the Page Colors drop-down menu. Choose the desired background by clicking. Part 4. Placing bullets and numbering. This is the part that will teach you how to put bullets and numbering on selected texts. To place bullets, highlight the text and then click the bullet button or choose a bullet design at the drop-down list beside the bullet button at the paragraph group. To place numberings, highlight the text and then click the numbering button or choose a numbering design at the drop-down list beside the numbering button at the paragraph group. Part 5. Inserting a blank page. This is the part that will teach you how to create a new blank page. To create a blank page, click the Insert tag on the ribbon and then click the Blank Page on the Pages group. Part 1. Inserting a picture. This is the part that will teach you how to insert picture in your document. To insert a picture, place your cursor in the document where you want the illustration picture. Click Insert tag on the ribbon, then click the Picture button. Browse to the picture you wish to include. Part 2. Inserting the clip art. To insert a clip art, place your cursor in the document where you want the clip art. Click Insert tag on the ribbon, then click the Clip Art button. The dialog box will open on the screen and you can search for clip art. Choose the illustration you wish to include. Part 3. Inserting a shape. To insert a shape, click Insert tag on the ribbon, then click the Shapes button. You get a list of available shapes. Choose a shape and then place it where you want by dragging the shape from your starting point to your end point. Part 4. Inserting watermarks. This is the part that will teach you how to insert watermark in your document. The watermark is a translucent image that appears behind the primary text in a document. To insert the watermark, click the Page Layout tag in the ribbon. Click the Watermark button in the page background group. To remove the watermark, follow the steps above, but click Remove Watermark. Part 5. Inserting the word art. This is the part that will teach you how to insert word art in your document. To insert the word art, on the Insert ribbon, look for Text Group. Click Word Art. Choose the desired word art. The window will appear and will let you choose the font, size, and style for your word art. Click OK. Part 1. Table Commands. Draw Table. This command opens the Tables and Borders dialog box with the Draw Table tool active. First, you draw the outline of the table. Then using the same tool, you can create cells vertically or horizontally. Cell dot is a box formed by the intersection of a row and column in a worksheet or a table, in which you enter information. Insert dot is used to insert the whole table or just columns and rows into the current document. Delete dot delete complete tables, columns, rows and selected cells. Select dot this command allows you to select the current table, column or cell. Merge cells dot this tool will combine the currently selected cells into one. Split table dot this command will split the current table, making the split at the currently selected cells. Split cells dot this will divide the selected cell /s into your chosen amount of columns or rows. It will also offer if more than one cell selected to merge the selected cells before the split. Convert dot this command will convert the existing text into a table format. The text will have a common separator to indicate the different columns. Sort dot this opens the Sort Table dialog box. You can choose which column you would like to sort in ascending or descending order. Formula dot this tool allows you to apply the formula to the selected cell. For example, if you wanted to add the contents of several rows in a specific column, you could use the sum formula in the Formula dialog box. Hide grip lines dot this simply hides the grip lines of the selected table. Table properties dot this will display the various properties of the selected table. Part 2. Creating the table. This is the part that will teach you how to create the table. To create the table, place the cursor on the page where you want the new table. Click the Insert tag of the ribbon. Click the Tables button on the Tables. Part 3. Table Formatting. Click the table and notice that you have two new tabs on the ribbon, Design and Layout. On the Design tag, you can choose Table Style Options, Table Styles, Draw Borders. To format the table, click the table and then click the Layout tag on the ribbon. This Layout tag allows you to view grip lines and properties, insert rows and columns, delete the table, rows and / or columns, merge or split cells, increase and decrease cell size, align text within the cells and change text directions. Part 4. Table calculations. This is the part that will teach you how to perform calculations in your table. To perform calculations, click the cell in which you want the sum to appear. In other words, column 1, row 5 in the figure above. On the Layout ribbon, look for Data Group and click Formula. If the cell you selected is at the bottom of a column of numbers, Microsoft Word proposes the formula equals sum above. If the cell you selected is at the right end of a row of numbers, Word proposes the formula equals sum left. Microsoft Word will provide the correct formula respectively. Click OK if this is correct.